Dusty from My Canine Guardian, and we're gonna do a quick hunt drive, ball drive video for you. So this is something you can do with your dog. You can build their hunt drive and their nose, okay? But also see our other video. What's our other video? Ball drive? Something about ball drive. And it teaches you how to build your ball drive in your dog. So they have it naturally, so we just want to use it. So I'm going to use Demi again as my hunt dog. So I'm going to throw this, and she's going to use her nose to find it. And yes, you can see it. The grass is not tall enough here, but she's not really going to be looking for it. She's going to be smelling, and so you're going to look. So, Demi, good girl. Super. Good. So, we got the balls. Only gonna use one. Let's see, stick this in here. All right, ready? So I'm gonna throw it first, and I'm gonna hold her back. And then I'm gonna turn her around so she can't see where the ball went. Ready? She's so excited. I know. Ready? Go find. Super, good girl. Good. Yeah, so if your dog gives up, you need to build some more ball drive. And some of these dogs have it very naturally in them, better than others. But you know, can you see her in the video very well?
You can see her, yeah.
Okay, so you can see she's using her nose. She's not looking and looking and looking. She's using her nose, and she's so excited to do this. Super fun game, really good mentally. They need to use their nose, guys. So we'll go again. And I don't care if she gets crazy when I turn her around. I like that built up, yes, I'm ready to go do this. I shouldn't really calm her down too much just because I want her mind going. And I don't want to be like, oh yeah, don't go after that. Yeah, because that's what we want. Here we go. Ready? You can see where she gets the whip. Good girl, you did so good. Yes, good girl. You did. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Good. Yes. Out. Out. Boy. Ready? Go again. Oh, that crazy girl. Okay, go find. She went the wrong direction that way. What? She's totally cheating. There we go. She cheated a little bit that time. Okay. Okay, guys. Like at the bottom and comment if you have any questions.